Hello and welcome back to another YouTube video from Wrong Their Life is Art. I'm here with a couple of design team projects for Tsunami Rose Designs. I'll add links to her shop below. And this is her sewing journal, kits and ephemera pieces. I've created 2 TNs out of them. And this has been completed a while ago, but I've just not managed to get around to filming, so I do apologise for that. Now, they're both quite similar, so I'll probably talk you through one and then just flip through the other one. So they come with these that just come off, and I've only added them on so that if you want to use it as a standalone journal, that's easy enough for you to do. This is a double pocket here. Now the way it works is so that you could slot in a little name there, or journal, or whatever you wanted to call it. So I've included them 2 tags. This one contains a bulb pin with some beads onto it as well, and that just slots into there like so. I'm just going to see if I can actually. It's got so bulky that you might have to stand it up like this and do it. But there you go, just to show you how it can, you can slot in something in there as your nameplate. Some fun fibres there and some organza ribbon there as well. It's 5-hole pamphlet stitch. I did laminate it and it's been a while, and I've noticed that it's not so good, so please be aware of that when you're purchasing. That's the back. Just quickly read my little post-it notes that covers what's included. It contains a bookmark, 3 altered paper clips. It's 54 page excluding the covers and pull-out pages, but includes the pocket pages. It has a doily, 26 tags and journaling cards, and lots of accessories, felts and fabrics. So that's what you're to expect. There's those 3 charms just hanging off the side. I'm really sorry if I'm going off camera, but I got my phone a little bit higher up, so I'm not being able to see the full screen. Going into this, we have a library card, and I think that might have actually been from Artie Mays, one of her freebies. But that's some little ephemera pieces I bought from the range. I've added in this pocket pages, the ones I've used for trading cards, and I think they just make nice little slot-in pieces for a little bit of journaling, or if you laminated it, you could add your washi onto them, or you could wrap some ribbon around them or twine. So they're really handy little pockets there. I've used this page as the front because I thought you can use it as a contents page as well. These TNs are kind of a hybrid of a needle book and TN junk journal, so I hope you like what I've done with it. That just flips out. A little tag page there, some coloured paper there. These are from Tsunami Rose again, and I've printed on both sides of that, so you've got some place to jot down measurements and things like that if you're using this as your sewing journal. I've added little bits of ribbon. That's a felt piece, so you can stitch more things onto that. That's why I said it's like your needle book. I did some cross stitching on that as well. This is another one of Tsunami Rose's kits, and that's one of her old paper versions. I think this one was from her freebie kit, which I printed on some tracing paper, I think it was, or vellum. Some pink lined paper with a bit of lace. Did some faux stitching. Printed on double side again. Some coloured paper. Another couple of these half page flaps. Again, I've put a pin in there and I've added a little rubber on there so you don't poke yourself, and then some other pieces. Now you can actually remove these, you just snip them off and you can use them elsewhere in your projects or on your sewing as well. That's a little sewing machine there, vintage sewing machine. Now that is not glued down. You could glue it down and have it as a pocket, but I hadn't kept it as a flip out in case you wanted to sketch out a design. A vintage style mason jar, that's from Tsunami Rose too. This is a triple page one. Now I've got some lace on that one, and there's some tulle and knitting on that, and some more lace on that. This is actual dress making pattern. It's from that. A little envelope page there. These file folders as well, they're from Tsunami Rose's shop. And there's a index card as well, which I've distressed. On the other side of that, I've just added a little of her tags. This is from one of her sewing ephemera pieces as well, and a bingo card from her store too. This was some sketchbook paper. I thought that would be nice in there. Again, if you wanted to sketch out something, a pattern. A flip out page. I really like these designs. This one's a pocket page, so you have another one of the tags there. This one's a calendar card. You could write things on that, and it's squared paper, and then that's a little envelope with a little card in there that you can write on a journaling spot. Fun fibres on that again. There's your diary. Some more pages, some more of this felt as well with the ribbon, the button stitched on, which you can remove. Just wondering if this is oh no, I know what this is. It's the like I said, it's been a while since I've made this, so I've kind of forgotten what was included. That's a little curly paper clip dangle. I do have a video on how to make these. Now when you slide that off, this page opens up like this and right out, so you've got loads of space there to be doing your journaling and writing on. It's got a little pocket. This is actually the center page, so you've got lots of little tags and things to write and jot down any notes you need to. I'll just paper clip that back together. That's from one of her pattern papers as well, and I think I used some scrapbook paper that I had in that as well, mixed that in. Made a little bookmark. On your center signature threads, I've included a vintage style charm on that. Another flip out page. This has got nice pink squares, something a little different. And then another felt piece with another pin and a couple of flowers. Another tag there with some fun fibres, and then these postcards are also from Tsunami Rose's kits. These pages I've attached on, I've kind of folded them over because they were full-size pages, and I just think it looks like washi tape, so I really like the look of that. I might try that again sometime soon. Some faux stitching, another flip out page and some washi tape. Coloured page, art book page, tag, another envelope with another of these little files. You do have some larger size ones as well if this is you're wanting something a bit bigger. Another paper clip there with a measuring tape on. Some of the dressmaker paper pattern. Again, you've got your lace and page and the tulle style net, and then some more lovely lace there. I think that's tea stained paper. Some dressmaker pattern which I used there. There's a zip for you to use as well. I didn't pop any needles into this one. I thought, everybody has some, so you can always add your own into there. Some more of this washi tape on this pink lined paper. Your tracing paper with the pattern on. Got some green, another green pin and buttons. So I've tried to include a few different colours, so you've got something that might be useful in your projects, but like I said, you can always add your own. You can snip these up and add your own. Postcard, tag, and a little card there, and then this one opens up as well. And the other side of that trading card one, ATC size cards fit into this as well. If so, if you've been gifted any ATC size cards, you can include them. A little monthly planner, and then I've added a clear pocket onto this, so you can put a few little bits and bats in that. So that's the first one. Only slight variations in the second one, I think, as far as I can remember. It's pretty much same. Have another library card there. More of the ATC size trading cards. Again, new contents page, a flip out page with the washi style pieces. So all the bits that I cut off, I just took them down because I thought they looked like, they acted a bit like washies. They look like washies. That's a double print again, so I did the floral print on one side and the sewing one on the other. That one got some felt with some snap buttons and a pin. That's another one of her kits. That's a freebie kit on tracing paper again. Pink lined paper with lace. Very reasonably priced as well, all these kits. A zip there. Again, you can remove that and add your own pins and needles and things. There's pattern paper there. Paper clip there with the vintage sewing machine. Again, that's a flip out on the Martha Stewart bunch. And you have your mason jar. You have Daisy's got some really beautiful mason jars for almost every theme as well. So if you're looking for something like for Halloween, Christmas, Easter, your vintage style ones, there's bound to be something there. That's the pattern paper, the dressmaker's pattern paper, envelope, another file folder there. So as you can see, it's quite similar, just different, maybe some different designs on the pages. Index card there, tag there. Drawing paper, coloured paper, graph paper. There's a tag on that. And the postcard there, doily. Double-sided prints again. Got some more buttons and a pin. I think this one's middle page is a bit different. So this one flips up like so. And you've got your bookmark again. Yeah, this one's middle page is different. But again, you've got three tags in there, and you've got that vintage sewing machine charm hanging from the middle of your signature. Got the pink square paper again, blue paper, there's bits of lace. So these accessories are slightly different as well that are included, but there's something included in both. Like you've got the zips in both, the zippers, and there's your tag, calendar card, your envelope with the insert. Coloured paper, artbook paper, another tag, another file folder there. Paper clip again. Dressmaker paper, your laces, your tulle as well, pattern paper of this border anglais type grip lace and some felt. And this flip out page there with some washi. So there's lots and lots of space. Again, the strip that I cut off, I've used like a washi tape, tracing paper, some buttons and a pin there. Some more tags and things. And a postcard. Postcards are blank at the back, so you can jot down notes. That's a pocket page which also flips out. Your ATC size cards and your monthly calendar thing again with the pocket. So I hope you like them. And that's my needle book slash TNs. Do try the idea, and these will be in my Etsy as well. I'll pop these up in my Etsy store if anybody's wishing to purchase them. Many thanks for stopping by again. Please like and subscribe if you've liked the videos and you want to see more. Thank you.